Hi, I'm Neha Bagul. I'm from Maharashtra, India, and I'm a software engineer and currently working as a UX researcher and designer at VIPL. Due to some personal reason, my co-authors are not present in the meeting right now, but I would like to take their name as well. So, Dr. Kruti Dholakia and Mr. Shubham Bijawat. So coming to my topic, the user-centered digital transformation in tourism, a UX evaluation and information architecture redesign of the MTDC website. So coming to its coming to its introduction part. Firstly, I'll tell you what is MTDC. So, in Maharashtra, there is two major departments who are manage the tourism in the Maharashtra. First one is the Directorate of Tourism. Second one is the MTDC, which is the Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. So, what they did basically, they segregated several tourism spots to them, and whatever the rest destinations are left, they are managed by the district itself. I believe that tourism websites play key role in the travel planning and the destination discovery and booking resorts and everything for users. So, any government digital portal is the primary digital gateway for the travelers. So in past year, I got an opportunity to work with the MTDC itself. I worked there as an research intern. Being a UX researcher and designer, I discovered the information accessibility gap there on the digital portals basically. So this study is limited to the Maharashtra tourism and the MTDC digital product. So currently they're having their digital product it as a website only. Soon they will launch their application as well. So in that, this presentation and this research is a continuation of that previous research of mine. In that research, I discovered that poor navigation structure and information hierarchy is not properly shown on the website, and discoverability affect the user experiences a lot. There is a lack of information accessibility there for all kinds of users. The problem statement is the usability challenges in the tourism website. As I said earlier, that tourism websites or any kind of tourism websites are important and the main source of information, like we are living in this digital era. So, everything is a digital right now. Uh, Websites and some digital products are more important and the primary gateways to get the information for. So, in that previous research, I key discovered that the physical space also lacking the information as well as the digital product as well. So the MTDC website contains the 200 plus pages, including the sub pages covering the destinations, accommodation, their aquatic activities and everything, and their tourism services. So, however, the user face challenges such as the fragmented navigation across pages, poor discoverability of lesser known destinations, as well as the large content blocks without any visuals. Also, mobile usability limitations, as many of the users are booking and exploring the website from the mobile view. So, the theoretical foundations are what I believe and discovered that the UX design, you can see this. Should I hide this? Okay, I'll hide this. Okay, including UX design and information architecture is a very basic thing when you design or develop any digital product. So if your information architecture is strong enough, it will easy in all perspective and UX flows and everything. So including UX design, information architecture, and there are some Nielsen's usability heuristics, which are widely accepted principles for identifying usability issues in the digital UI, that is user interfaces. Also the WCAG guidelines. So including all of that, completing the evaluation of MTDC website. So these are the research method I followed. So what I did heuristic evaluation according to the Nielsen's usability principles and WCAG guidelines. So I discovered or identified the usability issues first. Then I did the user research. So I did the user research in that I took some semi-structured interviews. I connected with some localites and to understand the travel planning and some travelers as well, understand their travel planning challenges for MTDC website. So for from that I did some card sorting to understand the behavior pattern of the users and the journey mapping of the users, like how their current journey is and what will be their to be journey is. So this research and study more focuses on the qualitative data. So I did the thematic analysis used to identify the usability and information architecture issues more. So these are the key findings from UX evaluation. As I said, I did the UX research or user research. So in that, what I can say, I segregated some user archetypes amongst those users, and I identify some behavior pattern from it, and then I address their issues, their requirements, and everything. So from that, the common issues occurred that navigation structure were inconsistent on the website. Also, the important tourism information was not there, or that was too much lengthy process or too much lengthy UX flow is there. So, in yeah, so user experience barriers identified MTDC website like difficulty locating specific destinations. Many of the users address those issues as well. So large content blocks are there without visual hierarchy, inconsistent navigation patterns, and mobile usability limitations during navigation tasks, basically. So these are the proposed global navigation. It is not a navigation bar, but it is the proposed navigation components, I must say. So this should be included in the redesign structure, which will align the website navigation with users' mental models for travel planning, and some design strategies for improving the that is the user experience of MTDC website is the progressive disclosure, facilitated navigation, conceptual recommendation, and WCAG guidelines that we discussed earlier. Yeah. So coming to its conclusion part, by applying those UX principles or Nielsen's heuristics, so these all are can support more effective digital tourism platform and improve travel planning experiences for the user. And this is in the process, as MTDC suggest me uh, to collaborate with the VIPL to work on this. So these are the references, and thank you. And I believe that the better user experience lead to the better travel experiences. And we are now in continuation and process to enhancing the user experiences of the MTDC website. Thank you so much, and I'm welcome for the question and comments.